It's not too often that we get stuff in the mail, so.
You say that every time. It's like every 2 days.
Oh, this is a lot. Wow. Okay. This is box number 1. So shout out to Simply Clean. I can't talk today for sending us some products up here. Kickin' Kiwi Banana. Some soap. A bunch of soaps, I'm assuming. This one's tire sauce. Ooh, tire sauce. Rubber plastic yarn. We got all kinds of stuff in here. Quick detailer, final inspection, wheel cleaner. Oh yeah, we got some.
That one's been used already.
Hope this one didn't empty out in the box. That'd have been awkward, right? Anyway, so box of stuff that we can try. This is the one that I'm actually kind of excited about because this box is actually kind of heavy.
For you, maybe. I carried it one hand.
I'm sure. Get out of your trash. I'm assuming this is like gallons of stuff. Yeah. Get you some of those, huh?
Please don't.
Just throw them everywhere.
Just dump the whole box.
Trash. I don't even want to take this out because I just know I'm. You know what? No, I'm gonna make a mess. Wow.
Saucy.
My boy done hooked it up. I guess I gotta keep my truck clean now. Iron fallout remover. I guess I'm gonna have to call him and figure out how to use some of this stuff because you guys know that I don't wash my truck. He knows that I don't wash my truck. So we're gonna have to. Oh.
I don't think it's as much we don't want to wash the truck as we don't have time to wash the truck.
I don't want to wash it. I don't care. I don't want to go outside and get all hot and all that. I'm getting to where I'm like, I don't know. I'd rather pay somebody to do it.
You don't find a little bit of peace in that.
It's been so long since I've done it. I really, no.
Really?
No.
I do.
I mean, yes, but no.
You don't know why I wash the wheels like that all the time? I know.
It's just nice.
Yeah, once you get started, you can't stop.
Yeah, I mean, you don't want to wash one and not wash the other, so I kind of understand that. But shout out to Simply Clean. Simply Clean, I met him when I went to Miami about a month ago, and we just had a really good conversation. He's just showing love to us. So we're going to try out some of his products. He said to give him an honest review. So we'll try it out later in the video. Yeah. Maybe some wheel cleaner or something. We'll see how it goes.
Same thing you said about the 3 other brands today.
Chattanooga Mobile Detailing, shout out to him. I guess I got to figure out somewhere to put this now. Before Brandon gets my ass. Brandon, we bring a lot of stuff into the shop up to the room, to the showroom up here. I got, we just got stuff up here, bro.
How many times a day do you get the?
We just got stuff.
Every day when Brandon leaves, about 3 or 4 o'clock, he comes to Alex and he says, "Alex, the pile."
We just got stuff up here. I got my stuff, KG1 stuff, my stuff again. Simply Mobile. This ready lift box has become a, don't show back there, that's kind of rough. it's gotten kind of bad. Most of this stuff is all returned.
Can we go, can we just carry this right out to your back seat real quick?
You need to get rid of that? Yeah, no, you don't want to see the truck. The bed of my truck, I still got the lift kit in the bed of the truck. Kevin from Powder Perfections, every time I talk to him, he's like, "Hey man, you still got that lift kit in the bed of your truck?" Because I told him that the videos are real. Like, I don't put on a show for anybody. What you see is what you get. And my old lift kit is still sitting in the back of the truck right now, so. Let's shit on Alex real quick. Start the video out today, and you know how it goes. Shit on Alex real quick. All jokes aside, we do have a lot of cool stuff up here at the shop today. We've got a new body style, no, it's like a 2021 or 2022 F250, getting an 8-inch Mcgaughys and some 26-inch JTX wheels. And then we've got a truck for Miss Lucky getting a 3-inch body lift, which is cool. So that truck's eventually gonna get some 30s and 42s, but for now it's on 40s, and it'll be on like an 18-inch lift when it's done.
I wish you would. I tried to talk her into 30s today.
30s and 42s. Kind of like Rob's blue truck that y'all was in the last video, but I'll show here later today as well. It'll be about 3 inches taller than that one when it's done, except that one's got 42s on it now, so it'll probably sit about level, but you get the idea. I wanted to run through this box real quick because he sent me way more stuff than I had thought. We got 2 things of ceramic coat. Obviously he sent the big jugs. We've got like an iron wheel cleaner. We've got the big jugs of the Kiwi pH soap, the pumpkin soap, which smells freaking fire, and then like a tire shine. And there's a couple other cool things in here. We got some empty bottles so we can refill them. The Kiwi soap is really good. Small.
Yes,
there's some like hand sanitizers in here. I mean, he really hooked it up, to be honest. There's a couple of like air freshener sprays in here. like the ceramic coat, like a final inspection spray, quick detailers in here. I mean, he really hooked it up. So when we come in tomorrow, me and Leonard are gonna try out a couple of things and see how it goes. We're definitely not detailers, so you know, a lot of this is gonna be how easy is it? Is it user friendly? You know what I mean? Idiots like us that aren't good at washing stuff. He even sent, like, there's one of these that rubber plastic guard, kind of freshens up your black plastic pieces, I'm assuming. Rubber plastic guard, yeah. So shout out to my guy over at Simply Clean for hooking it up. Yeah, it's legit. Look, we're gonna try out some of this iron fallout remover real quick on one of Leonard's wheels. He's got these 24x12 Ford Giottos that ain't seen love in a minute. Ain't had no love in a minute out here in the rain. Come on now. He said let it sit for like 30 seconds. We're gonna let it sit. Obviously it's raining, so I can't show you guys like a better result, but even just sitting here for like 20, 30 seconds, you can see he's telling me that the dirt and the contaminants are gonna turn like a purple color, and you can see it a little bit, all the little specks of dirt that are turning purple. Look, it's already, when it comes down off the side of the wheel, it's already turning purple. I don't know if y'all can tell, but if you look on the inside of the wheel, it's definitely purple in there. And I know there's probably a lot of detailing products that do this, but I've just never really cared. This is the only time that I've ever really paid attention to it. Matt or, you know, Nifty Nichols or any of those guys have washed my truck before, and I've never really paid attention to the science of it. Bro, John, shut up, bro. Shut up. Hey, why are you working on your truck in the shop again?
Hey, because I need an oil change and a rotation.
Because it's a Ford, that's why.
Do the oil change.
Because it's a Ford.
You know you like it.
We'll do it tomorrow.
This one's just barely being wiped down. We did spray these two on this side though.
Yeah,
This one's fading. This one's fading. They've already been fading a little bit, I think.
Yeah, Mahoney fucking.
I think this one looks. I think this one looks. You can't really tell on the camera, but I think this one looks a little bit better. We're obviously not professionals either. We don't know what the hell we're doing, so I'm just gonna throw this out there because it's something that's been bothering me for a couple of days, or probably about a week, and it's part of the reason why I didn't film like at all last week. My skin is absolutely trash right now. My prescription is coming in the mail today, and I'm gonna get my hair cut off. So I just want to throw that out there. My skin looks like crap. I understand it, and I'm tired of thinking about it, so I'm just gonna film and not care. That's what's gonna happen. And I know it looks bad, and I'm just moving past it, just so you guys know. And Sean Miller, come pick your shit up, because it's been up here for like a week, and I'm tired of looking at it. I'm just kidding, Sean, I love you. Any Corvette fans out there? Get this old Corvette up here at the shop. I heard them talking about it in the office the other day. It's like a 63, 64, 65, something like that. I don't know old cars, and I don't want to know old cars, but some of you might be fans out there. So here's your Corvette love for the day. All right, we got Lucky's body lift finished up. I think the real test to see how tall this truck is to get in it one time. For me to get into hey.
What's up? Hey, you got the keys to that?
To this one, no, but I'm about to film this one in a minute.
I was gonna pull it around so you get some cinematic shots.
Yeah, let's do it. Come on. So the real test, if I'm jumping into Sammy's truck in Miami, that one's like 18 inches or 16 inches or something stupid, and I have to really jump into that one. So I feel like without the step, this would be about the same. But it's not a good representation because I do have the XL amp step to be able to step on. But if I couldn't use the step, it's probably about no, Sammy's truck's a lot taller because I can almost step up into that one, I'm not gonna lie. So this one, it's got a 12-inch lift, maxed out coilovers. Pretty sure there's a leveling kit on top of the coilovers, and now a 3-inch body lift. So this one's sitting about 16, 17, 18, somewhere in that area, and it's obviously squatted a couple inches in the rear. But for the video's sake, we're gonna say 17, 18 inches because I'm pretty sure that's where it's sitting at. 12-inch Cognito, raised coilovers, Cognito uppers, all powder coated red. It's got 24s and 32s. I know I said 30s at the beginning of the video, but it's got 42s on it. So it's about 17, 18 inch lift with 42s. I don't know how something like this would ride compared to mine. Is that something you guys would like to see on the channel? Is Alex to give an honest review of some of these trucks driving afterwards? I will tell you that immediately by just backing this truck up, the Aturos ride like crap. I can tell you that immediately. You can probably see the jumping in the camera as I'm backing up. Hey,
What are you doing right now?
I feel like we should start doing honest ride reviews about some of these trucks that we build.
This one's probably the one to start with.
I can tell it's got a Turos on it.
I sold them to her.
I can already tell. Just the way that the truck bounces when I'm backing up, I can already tell. What are you trying to pull me out
I'm trying to see what's going on in there.
What is this, GTA? You trying to pull me out of the truck?
I'm just trying to see what she's riding with here. What you got going on in here?
All right, you ready?
We riding?
Yeah.
What if the tire hits the step when you turn? You didn't think about that, did you?
No, I didn't, no.
That'd be rough, wouldn't it? What if I fall off and get run over for the second time? And it's your fault.
You feel it bouncing there?
I feel the step moving an inch up and down. That's
Really?
scary.
That's terrifying.
Look how little that F250 looks. It's on a new level, isn't it?
Oh, we got plenty of room.
Oh yeah, we're clearing by a mile. We don't even need doors in this thing.
Just take the doors off like popping clutches. Who's watching us back there?
The truck with the doors off, that mean that thing's asleep. This is terrifying kind of. There's no, yeah there is.
What was that?
One of our KC lights is loose.
Oh, okay.
Pull up a little bit more.
Give you guys a out in the sun look at the 18-inch 24s and 42s. The tread design on the Turos is what makes it so choppy. The Turos aren't that, yeah they are.
You get behind whatever's cool at the time.
Really?
Most of the time, yeah.
Get out of here, trash.
Pretty much most of the time.
No. How long have I been on Mcgaughys and Nittos?
There's a whole crew of people designing this tire.
Long time.
Every day trying to make it nice and look good to sell, and Alex is over here just trashing them.
Just yak.
They need to be rotated. You can feel it.
I think so.
Maybe they just got a little choppy design to them.
They got knives on the tread.
Watch out.
You can definitely tell driving this how tall it is though. Like just sitting in it in the parking lot, you can't really tell, but driving it, it's a lot taller than obviously a 9. Hell, this is double the height of my lift kit. And you can definitely tell driving it. I don't like having to jump out of something though, I'm not gonna lie. The truck does look really good. I've always been a big fan of this body style GMC, obviously because I have one. Mine's just a Chevy, and I do like the red lift kit though. I really hope, like I said, that she upgrades to 30s and 42s, or just 30s, keeps 42s, because that'd be pretty sick. That'd be pretty sick. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the 18-inch lift. I've been excited for this one for a couple of days. We just finished up our white 2022 F250. I get really excited when we get to do Fords and Rams because we don't do a lot of them on the channel. We did an 8-inch black and milled radius arm Mcgaughys kit. So you got the really nice Mcgaughys radius arm up front with that black and milled billet to layover piece. And then we did a Fox steering stabilizer from Stryker. Are you guys opposed to mixing and matching kits? I mean, I guess technically there's nothing wrong with putting a Stryker steering stabilizer on a Mcgaughys kit. Anyway, love the Mcgaughys kit. Stryker's got some great products too, and it was just the quickest way for us to get a dual steering stabilizer for a truck like this. 26x14 JTX inhibitor, super close design to what the silencer is. Only difference in the inhibitor and the silencer is I'm pretty sure this one's got one extra window, but we kept the wheel all gloss black, no milled accent pieces other than the logos, JTX top and bottom, and then the JTX logo on the float and center cap. Did a white spike lug nut to kind of match the truck, and I think that was a great little just accent piece to the build. 37 1450 26 Fury, 8-inch lift, 37s 14 wides, no trimming. Super excited about that. Shout out to Real Deal Neil for giving me the inspiration on this one. I've been showing some love to him on Instagram, and I just was kind of thinking about him when we built this truck, so he's been giving me a little bit of motivation to do more Fords and Rams. So shout out to Real Deal Neil. Make sure you guys go show some love to him on Instagram and YouTube. He's killing it.